Most of us at some point are gonna need an extra laptop charger. This is my HP Pavilion laptop, and I hate to say it, but I've had several of these. It started off with just having one to leave at this desk here, which turned into breaking one, so I had to replace it, which has led to I want one at a second desk, and then one for travel. So it never hurts to have too many laptop chargers. And I like to run my laptop plugged in all the time. It's an older laptop, so the battery isn't that great, and the computer's performance just works better when it's plugged in. So if you're like me, maybe here's a laptop charger to check out for yourself. This charger is from FunnyEra. It is a 65-watt laptop charger with the smart blue tip adapter. Make sure you check the listing to see if your laptop is compatible. The charger comes in two pieces. We have the power block with a cable that connects to the blue tip adapter, which is a 4.5mm plug, and then you have your AC cable which connects to the power block. This product is really straightforward. Plug the power cable into an outlet, plug the other end into your laptop. It runs at either 45 or 65 watts. It can be used by a whole bunch of different computers. Again, make sure you check the listing to make sure your computer is compatible. It's a sturdy charger, easy to use, and it just works as it should. So if you're in the market for a backup or a replacement or just a second laptop charger that's straightforward and works as it should, maybe this is for you.